Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Clive's kitchen, yes. Living healthy, happy and terrific in Wales. So firstly I would like to say I am not a chef and I'm not a dietitian. I'm just Clive from Wales. So I just want to share some recipes that I do. So you can call me a cook if you want. I'm a cook, yes. So today I'm going to be preparing my take on a cottage pie. Because I'm with the Weight Watcher program, I thought I might play around with the recipes a little bit. So I was going to do 4 cottage pies in these little metal containers like that. There you go. These little metal containers you can buy. They're like takeaway containers. So I'm going to portion some out there. I've got a carrot and coriander soup in process of being cooked at the moment, but just because this is the thing that my wife loves the most, in fact. Oh, Jane, she absolutely loves soups. I did a tomato one last week. Anyway, I'm just chopping up some coriander finely, including the stalks, because this is going to go into the soup mix. And I'll post that recipe online for you. So let's get the cottage pie on the go. Let's get everything prepared. The preparation is important to get all the ingredients you need cut, sliced, diced. Get all your herbs, your spices, whatever you get it all prepared. Put it in the pots, and then just get on with the recipe, and everything will work out fine. Trust me, it really will. As I said, I'm not a chef, but hey, I really do like to cook. So let's get to it.
Right, so just get your aubergine and your mushrooms prepared. Lightly dice these, and I've got my mince already weighed out. Watch your fingers. Finally dice your carrots and your sweed, get them on the boil. Add in the mushrooms and aubergine into the pan. I'm just going to sweat them down now. Add in the mince to the sweated aubergine and mushrooms. Brown that off. Get it nice and brown. Keep stirring. Watch it doesn't catch on the bottom of the pan. After soaking your lentils, give them a rinse and then add them to the mix. So that's aubergine, mushrooms, lentils and mince. Make some gravy from some 0% free gravy granules. Add that then to your mix. Don't forget at night to catch, so keep stirring constantly. And just bring that up to a little simmer. And when the mix is cooked, decant them into your containers ready. That's the base mix made. So let's get on to the topping. So dice in some potatoes. The reason I dice them is because they'll boil a lot quicker. Now I didn't want to add all potatoes to this because I'm on a Weight Watcher diet, so potatoes are quite high in points. So I got my carrot and sweed mash on. I'm bringing my potatoes up to the boil. And I'm going to mix these two together because they're going to be the toppings for my cottage pie. It's Clive's cottage pie. Add in salt and pepper to season. And tidy up as you go along. It's a lot easier. Saves a lot of work afterwards. Once the potatoes are boiled, get them mashed mash these down till nice and smooth. Get it to a nice smooth consistency. Got my carrots ready for my soup there actually. So I'm not using any butter in this or any margarine. So it's just basically mashed salt and pepper at this particular moment in time. But what I'm going to do is add some zero-pointed mayonnaise. I'm going to add some Hellmann's light mayonnaise to this. So just adding a little bit more salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to cream this up now. Lighter than light mayonnaise, yeah. You can use 15 grams of this into the pot. I'll eyeball it, but that's 0 points. And that's going to be in place of butter and margarine. Just going to give that a little bit of a creaminess to the mashed potato. So we need to double the quantity now. So I'm going to add my carrot and sweet mash into that. And again, mix all of that together, and that's going to be my topping for my cottage pie. So using the same amount of carrot and sweet to the potato, that's going to eke it out so that there's going to be very little points in this. And then what I'm going to do is decant that then on top of the base mix, and this is going to be the cottage pie. Fluff it all up. You can put a lid on this, you can put it in a freezer, or what I'm doing, I'm going to keep 2 aside for my Sunday dinner. So just fluff up the top, and that's going to be lovely. Put the lids on, the 2 that I'm going to freeze, and I keep the lids off 2 that I'm going to have for my dinner. There we are, Clive's Cottage Pie, which is 5 points on the Weight Watchers diet. So thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you in Clive's kitchen again. Bye.